Welcome back to Concepts, the app that helps you think through your ideas. This video is part of our workflow series, where we work through a design problem and explain how we get from an idea to a real product. Today we're taking a look at character design, where we draw inspiration from upcoming trends in biotech, genetic engineering, and Nordic culture. Then we'll take our design and go from concept sketch on the iPad to 3D model in ZBrush, and finally, print it out on our new Form2 3D printer. If you're not familiar with Concepts, go download it now. This app can handle huge amounts of this process, from sketching out rough ideas in storyboards, to initial organic CAD drawings, and even some graphic design work we'll use to make these little stickers. Of course, you can do all that on the desktop with expensive apps, but it's never really been possible from a mobile device like the iPad, and that's where Concepts comes in. So this is baby Maud, a genetic hybrid, part plant, part animal. Set in the near future, this adorable house pet is grown in a local biolab, thanks to advancements in genetic engineering like CRISPR and cheaper localized protein manufacture. After a few weeks of incubation, he's transported via delivery drone to his new owners. Or, that's what should have happened. There was a bit of an accident, but Maud's basically indestructible, so he'll be fine. We started in Concepts, daydreaming and sketching out ideas for all the adventures Maud could have. Ideas flow naturally in Concepts, and you can just adjust and change things without losing your focus. It's extremely satisfying to work directly on the screen, and the smooth experience here makes going through the next phase feel a bit rough. For these kinds of organics, we found nothing better than ZBrush, an industry-leading digital sculpting tool used for movie effects, game and character design, etc. We hadn't used it before, but with ZBrush Core now available for about $150, cost of entry was relatively low and we gave it a shot. Fusion 360 is a bit more intimidating, but it's free for hobby use and very powerful, so we used that for the drone carriage. The fast way to get through either app is to import the drawings you make in Concepts in either PNG or DXF format, then sketch and build from there. Keep in mind, 3D modeling is not easy, and you'll need some patience. If you're iPad only, it's worth mentioning our friends at UMake and Shaper 3D as capable options. We'll put links to the tools we use below. It took a few hours, but we moved the designs into preform, a well-built and super easy 3D printing setup app from FormLabs. Import an OBJ or STL file format, tap the button for one-click print, and off it goes. 1 hour and 38 minutes. If you don't have a 3D printer, services like Shapeways can build and ship your designs for cheap. We chose the Form2 because the chemical bonding process provides a much higher production quality to the prints than a cheaper FDM machine, which gives us more creative freedom, especially when dealing with tiny parts like the umbilical cord. Then some dipping, sanding, painting, printing, and filming, and we're all set. Of course, no character is complete without its setting, so like any good genetically modified creature in science fiction, Maud spends his first few weeks in an incubation chamber. So we built that too, complete with a miniature reactor to keep him warm. So how much time did we spend? Roughly 2 weeks, if you include the filming process and unpacking our shiny new toys. Once that's set up and you're familiar with the process, it could be around a day's worth of work to imagine, concept, design, and build your new character. Want to see more of these design and build videos? Let us know in the comments below. We've included links to everything we used in the description. Until next time, thanks for watching. Top Hatch out.